So for the gathering information and the record documenting sources, you can make process for applying documentation style easier for you to give good notes while you perform research. You write down the complete bibliographic information available for each source that you consult, and you may want to take a look at the sample reference list for the style. So tuturuan namin kayo how to cite that one sa next nating mga slides. Okay, which style we're going to use? We're going to APA style, no? If behavioral or social sciences are likely to be your interest, then APA style must be the most appropriate kasi under tayo ng behavioral and social sciences. We also have discussions about quoting and referring, so you might want to check this out also. So pag nilagay natin siya dun sa in-text, no? In-text kasi tawag natin dyan, is ganito yung itsura niya, no? Ay, hindi ito. Hindi pala ito. So, dito na lang tayo sa sizing of sources. So the mechanics of citing sources will vary from style to style, but there are two primary methods of giving citations. Number one is parenthetical or in-text references and notes, no? So sa dulo. Although most documentation styles provide guidelines for both in-text preferences, such in each generally identified with one or another. So nasan yung sample natin dyan? So, bibigyan na lang tayo ng example dito sa kabila. Para directed to the point na tayo. Yan. Citing sources in APA. Alright. So, how to cite your sources in APA? So, firstly, what are the basic structure of APA style? Firstly, we have to identify who, when, what, and where. These are the main pieces that you need to include forming your APA citations. So the amount of information you need for each piece will vary depending on the type of sources which will be what's available. Book chapters, journal articles, website, that will be slightly different. So may pagkakaiba if you cite a website, a book, a magazine, a journal, a newspaper, a online report, etc. So, may pagkakaiba sila how to cite. For example, this one. Journal articles. So, these are the normal or the typical journal that you can see in the electronic publications. No? So, these are the things that you need to look out for. Firstly, you have the author or author's names. Pwede kasing marami yung author natin. Pwedeng isa, dalawa, tatlo. So, pag dalawa, meron niyang and. Pag tatlo naman, meron siyang et al. No? So, pwedeng i-cite mo silang tatlo or pwedeng i-et al mo na lang. Yung first main author yung i-mention mo. So, author's name, year of publication, kung kailan siya na-publish, article title. So, what's the title of the journal article? Journal title, volume number, and issue if available naman si issue number. Page range of the article and the DOI or the URL of the journal homepage. So, pag hindi mo makita yung lahat niyan or at least hindi siya visible, no? Or wala siyang publication date. So, it means the journal that you are citing is not yet published. So, hindi mo pa siya pwedeng gamitin. Ganun na yan. For the structure, it looks like this, no? So, we have the author, no? Apelido, initials, no, of their name, and kasi dalawa yung author natin, author number 2, and initials. Date of publication, so close open parenthesis, tuldok. Title of the article, tuldok. Title of journal, italicized, comma. Volume number, issue number if available, page range, and retrieve from the web page, no, or website kung saan nanggaling yung source mo. Or you could do this also. Yung pinakaiba lang yan is it has a DOI, no, or http://doi.org/etc. Ito yung pinaka-example niyan, no? Si Wooldridge, apelido, MB is kanyang initials, and Shapka, apelido, initials, kailan na publish yung kanilang paper, title of their paper, hanggang electronic toys, tuldok, Journal of Applied Development Psychology, journal name, so yan yung journal name niya, page number, volume number pala, issued number, date, tuldok, HTTP source. Okay? So, ganyan yung itsura niya, and the list goes on. For the website naman, for the websites from APA style, author's name, this could be a person or organization kasi pwedeng galing from the government offices, pwedeng organization, year, month, day of publication on the web, kung kailan sila pinablish mismo dun sa website. This could be the last updated date at the bottom of the web page, title of document or page number, format if the item is blogspot, comment, message, or social media update, and the source in URL. So do not italicize titles if they are part of greater whole. For example, a web page, blog post, online for messages, comments, status, etc. only italicized. Okay. So itsura niya, no? So ito yung kanyang itsura, no? For the author, date, tuldok, title, document, format, tuldok, retrieve from. Ganyan yung kanyang pagka-structure. So, example of website citations. Okay? So, this one is coming from American Heart Association. So, hindi siya tao, isa siyang organization or isang office. Then, date of publication in website, open and close parentheses, tuldok. Understand your risk for diabetes, retrieved from the source, no? So, this is the website source. Pag kinlik mo yan, mapupunta ka doon sa kanilang website. Okay? Another example, Medline Plus, tuldok, open and close parenthesis, date of uploading or website publishing. Diabetes is the name of the website title. Retrieved from HTTPS blah blah blah. So, ganun lang yung kanyang itsura. How to cite a journal article and website. Then, meron pa tayong mas in-depth, no, na material dyan. Okay? So, we have here the material number 1 for APA style, which is coming from the basics from APA citations. So, ano lang to, no? Parang same lang din ng 7th edition. Okay? This one, hindi ako makakita kasi ng 7th edition. Ito lang yung nakita ko. But, same lang din yan, no? Ng kanyang 6th edition. Okay, so it has some guides how to capitalize this, understanding the fundamentals of APA style, author formatting, organizing the reference list, APA citation examples, tips and examples, creating parenthetical in-text citation including formatting parenthetical citations and block quotes, citing sources with multiple authors and corporate authors. So this one has citation fundamentals, example of popular sources, web rule citation, parenthetical citation, etc. Okay, so we already know this requirements of an APA style. So these are the requirements how to properly cite a source. So for the main contributors of the research, if we have multiple authors, it should be formatted like this. For the one author, their last name should be the first word that you're going to include, comma, and their initials. For the two authors, meron siyang separation na and. For the 3 to the 7 authors is comma lang din and then end. So yung sometimes kahit tatlo nga ginagawa na lang first author comma et al, no? Alright. Ano daw to for the authors and editors and presenter. Then on the bibliography part, referencing part sa last, references in the last part of your paper, citations should be alphabetically organized, no? So as you can see, mauna yung mga letter A, B, C, so on. For the multiple works, different authors will with the same name, it should be alphabetized by the author's first initial. No, kung pareho sila ng apelyido. So the first one that has first letters in the alphabet should be the first one to be cited. If the work is authored by a group or corporation, alphabetized by the first main word in the group's name. So, ganun din. Kasama sila dun sa list, with alphabetical order. Capitalization, APA style varies on citing you are citing, sources you are citing. So articles or chapter titles are with capitalized first word of the title. Journal, newspaper, or magazine titles includes entire title in uppercase and italicize the title. For the book or report titles, capitalize the first word of the title and subtitle and any proper nouns. Next is italicize the title, and if the work includes edition or volume, use parentheses after the title. So these are the examples na how to do a book citation. Author, initials, year of publication, book title, subtitle. Ganito yung itsura pag naka-italicize, no? City, state, and publisher. Example, Green is the last name. Initial is J, 2012. Default in our stores. Tuldok, where is the city it's being published, and the publisher. Okay? Chapter, no? If you are citing a chapter, so there should be title of chapter and an F editor. For the magazine, you have the author, initials, year and month of publication, article, magazine title, volume, issue, and page. This is the example. Newspaper, for the newspaper, you have the author, last name and initials, year and month of publication, article title, newspaper title, and page of the newspaper. So this is the example. For the journal, online naman, for the online journal, ito yung mostly na nakikita natin sa ating mga researches, no, as of now, kasi you are relying or mostly relying on online sources. So this is the most used, no, type of journal, no. So for this example, we have the author's last name and the initials, publication year, article title, journal title, volume, issue if there's any, page, no, of your of the article, DOI number, or retrieved from journal URL. So ganito yung itsura niya. Okay? Example of this is this one. YouTube Part 2, Journal on Adult Literacy, Volume 50, issue number 7, and this is the page. And DOI address. Printed journal, if you have printed journal, yung hard copy. So this is the how you do it in APA style. A website. So another type, no. So ito isa din to sa most popular, no, na ginagamit natin when we are doing website citation. Author, year, month, date of publication, article title, and retrieved from URL. Example of this is this one. Okay? And it should have retrieved from. So, dyan na natin makikita yung link. No? So, kung nakikita nyo, mayroong direct link. No? Pag kinlik ko yan, it will be directed in the website. For the TV and radio show, there's also the format. Writer, no, you should write also the writer, no, for example is this one, and he is the writer, comma, and Yaita Nes, no, is the director. Year of airing, kung kailan siya pinalabas. Episode title, so this is the episode title. Television series episode. So, dapat meron siyang present if that's a television series episode. FM producer, executive producer. So, ito yung pangalan ng executive producer. TV series name, House MD. City, where it is being broadcasted. State of original channel and the channel. Okay? So that's how you cite a radio show. Then next is we have audio recording. So for the audio recording, you have to cite the songwriter, the initials, copyright year, song title, recorded by, last performer's name. So ito, Arctic Monkeys. On title, album title, okay, medium of recording, MP3 file, city, state, and record label name. Online lecture slides, so this is the format. Thesis dissertation, this is the format. Okay, web rules. Okay, so these are the web rules. General websites. If the sources are not easily identified as an online, it could be periodical, book chapter, reference, etc. general website article of an author. With an author, this one, meron siyang author. Pag wala namang author, ito yung itsura niya. Okay? As long as the website is included. Online newspaper, meron na tayong mga online newspaper, di ba? The Manila Times, Rappler, may mga ganyan pa. So these are some newspaper articles, journal articles, online encyclopedia articles. So ito yung mga formats niya, no? So ito na yung susundan ninyo. And how to cite a source in parenthetical citations. Ito yung itsura niya, no? So parenthetical citation without author's name in text. Harlem and many artists, musicians in the late 1920s. Ito yung pinaka in-text citation, no? So where does that statement coming from? So this is the author's last name and the article date when it is being published. Parenthetical citation when the author is mentioned in the text. So if you mentioned him in the text, you're going to just put the publishing date at the end of your sentence. Parenthetical citations with multiple authors. So this is the itsura niyan. This is the information that you are stating, and the two authors, comma, and the date of citation, the date of publication. Works with 3 to 5 authors. So ito yung first, in-text parenthetical citation. So, pag unang labas sa sa paper mo, kailangan i-expand mo siya, no? Isama mo lahat. But pag mention mo na siya ulit sa ibang part of your paper, pwede mo na siyang gawing Stewart et al. Okay? In 2010. So, siya pa din 'yon. Sila pa din 'yon, no? Works with 6 or more authors. So, ganun din. Et al. In 2013. Sources without an author. So, probably, hindi naman kayo makakita ng halos na walang author. Mayroong author naman lahat yan. Ano pa ang natin? Pinaka important. Corporate authors, groups. Ito yun. If you are citing a information coming from a group or corporate, so you could do this type of citation. However, you could abbreviate the name if it's lengthy and it's commonly recognized abbreviation in all subsequent parenthetical citations. Ito yung itsura niya. Alright. So, ito na yung kanyang assessment, no? How to visually know where are the title of work, the authors, and publisher, state, and year of publication, no? So, this is a book, no? printed book. So, ito, pinapakita niya sa inyo where are the titles, authors, etc. So, this is the citations ng kanyang pinapakita. Okay? So, James H., yung kanyang author, in 2009, title of the book, the publisher or city-state, and the publisher. Sa ebook naman, mostly ito yung mga PDF natin. Ito yung kanyang itsura, no? For the author, year of publication, title of work, and retrieved from the DOI. So, ito yung DOI niya. So, you can see, kasama yan. And sometimes, dun mismo sa website is kasama na yung DOI. You just have to search for it. So, ito yung itsura niya pag ginawa natin siyang notes, no? Or bibliographic type of citation at the end of your paper. Ito naman is ebook pa din to, no? From Kindle, iPad, Nook, and etc. Citing article found online. So, yan, meron ding nakalagay what are the datas included here in your journal article online. And this is the citation format. Ano to? In print naman, newspaper. So, how to cite this one? You need the newspaper title, publication date, article title, the author of that certain article, and the page. So, ito yung itsura niya sa citation. Citing online newspaper. So, ito yung mga uso ngayon, no? Newspaper title, ito yung itsura niya. Article title. So, definitely you can tell the difference by looking at the font and citing or taking note where it could be, or recognizing the important things like authors, publication date, article title, and newspaper title. And this is the citation for that. We have some tips also. Citing an online report coming from a online report or agency. So, ito yung itsura niya. How to catch, no, all those informations. And this is how we cite the online report. Printed report, this one is a printed type. So, kasama din yan for the citations. This one is scholarly project. If it is uploaded or published, so they should have information like this. Authors, publication year, accession number, and name of database. So, ito yung itsura niya sa citation mo. Sa references. Scholarly project pa rin. Online lectures. Encyclopedia. Classical religious text like the Bible do not require citation and the reference list in APA. However, you must include in-text citation anytime reference text in your writing. Like for example, this one, in-text citation. Ganyan yung itsura niya if it's coming from the Bible. Remember, you only need to cite the Bible verse, the Bible if the first general reference or intercitation of the source. In all other instance, leave it out. Okay, so you just have to ano na lang this, no? Scan kung paano mag cite, no, ng different kinds of sources. May movie pa, no? How to cite an episode from TV or radio show. Alright. So, that's definitely the... Ay, meron pa pala. No? Isa pa ba? Check ko lang. Meron pang isa, pero parang the same lang din ng, ano no, ng content nun. This one is, pwede mo kasi siyang, eto 7th edition, pero most likely, pare-pareho lang din naman yun. No? So, konti lang yung pinagkaiba nun. But this one is most likely have straight to the point na content, no? Just have to open this, how to apply those kinds of citations in APA style in a different types of sources. Okay? Meron pang formatting dito, no? How to do it, how to do your references in a proper way using Microsoft Word, no? You're going to watch this one, watch or look this one, how to format it, no? How to do a hanging indent in document. Okay. And for the last part is, if you have time, so you have to watch na lang, no, the recorded lesson on the citing sources, lesson 3 and 3.1. Alright, so that's pretty much all on this topic. So kindly stand by, no, for the further instructions in the Google Meet.